So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Lido DAO crypto here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, at the bottom in the middle, press on the magnifying glass. Once you're here at the top under Explore, search by name or symbol. Go ahead and type in LIDO or Lido, or you can type in ticker symbol LDO and then select it. Once you're here at the bottom, press on buy. Now on this page right here, you can market order a specific amount. So if you want to do $4.50, you can type in that. You can go ahead and type in $3.80, like whatever it is, you can type whatever you want, then press review. Then on this page, you can review how much of LidoDAO you're purchasing. So you'll see the amounts, the fees, the cost, etc. And if this looks good, go to the bottom, you can swipe up to submit the order just like that. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Lido DAO cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.